Good morning, YouTube. Hope you are off to an amazing start to your day. Hope you're having a great week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all of you who are leaving comments. Really appreciate it. Today is an amazing day. It's gorgeous out. The sun is out, some blue skies. Had an amazing dinner last night with Brooks of Dregs Time talking about his new Ford GT, which is kind of exciting. But today, we are on the road. We're gonna go to the Auto Spa in Mississauga. We're getting some new Alloy Gators installed on my Porsche. Super excited. You guys all voted for red, so we're getting red. And after that, well, we're gonna come home, gonna get a haircut, because I need to get this fucking mane in control. It's springtime. Time to get clean and lean. See you guys in a bit. Come along for the ride. And we're off. Heading to Mississauga. Breakfast to go, my favorite, sausage and egg McMuffins. And we're heading off to the Auto Spa. Roads are clear. The sun was out for a little bit. It's actually calling for snow, which worries me a little because I'm on summer tires, but I think we should be okay. This engine sounds so amazing. I cannot fucking wait to get an exhaust in this car. It's gonna sound absolutely incredible. Even better than my McLaren. Just got a little salty on the way over here. I washed her last night. Actually, I didn't wash her last night, but we'll pretend like we did. I hate showing up to places without having to wash a car. Step 1, clean the rim. Step 2, remove the air. So here we are at the Auto Spa in Mississauga with Todd, the owner, who just installed a new set of Alloy Gators on my 911. It looks absolutely incredible. The red matches my red Porsche calipers. Todd is an authorized retail partner of the Alloy Gator brand, one of the top installers here in the GTA. He's also a certified technical trainer who can help assist you and your shop to learn how to install these things.
Do it properly.
Yeah. So Todd, what do you think about the actual product itself? How long have you been installing it? And tell me a little bit about your thoughts about it as a product on a car.
Since day one, we've been installing this Alloy Gator product, and I find it a fantastic product. And I'll tell you why. If you have these expensive rims and they're color coded and so on and so forth, and you go up against a car wash rail or maybe hit a curb or something like that, a little ouch like that could cost you $1,100 bucks. For $300-400 bucks, under $500 bucks, certainly under $1,000.
Yeah,
definitely under $2,000. We can get these on the car, and it really protects the car against damage. You damage the plastic, then you repair it, replace it, and you save the rim. That's the big key component here.
Very cool, man. Thank you very much for once again doing a fantastic job. Give me a quick detail. I will be back as soon as I get some new wheels on the car in a couple months.
Absolutely.
And we'll go through the whole process again.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, pal. Cheers.
Well, we're all done here at the Auto Spa in Mississauga. Ta-da! My 911 now is sporting some red Alloy Gators on the rims, protecting them from curb rash, because sometimes that happens. But more importantly, giving me a little bit of personalization and color on the car that matches my red Porsche calipers. I'm starving, so we're gonna actually take a little trip out to Oakville to have some roadie, my favorite chicken roadie at Corey's. And look what it is over here on the left. I don't know if you can see that. That's the Ford assembly plant where Brooks of Drag Times was at yesterday for his Ford GT. It's where the Ford GT is assembled here in Canada. Corey's Roadie. I'm so excited to dive into this. Holy, out of nowhere, snowstorm. It's craziness. And now the snowstorm is gone literally 5 minutes later, and we're back to a nice sunny day. Maybe nice is a stretch of the imagination, but the sun's out, traffic is low, and it's time to stretch the legs. Good evening, YouTube. It's been a long day. Got a cute little haircut, feeling a lot lighter. So we're going to go take a hot shower, jump back on the computer, do a couple more hours, and go to bed. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.